Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to go over a heart-shaped pumpkin. It's going to be simple, easy, and I think you're really going to love it. If you love Halloween and you love the spirit of Halloween, click the subscribe button and click the bell notification. That's going to let you know when I post. It's going to show you on your feed, kind of like the thumbnail, and you'll be like, oh cool, I can draw that today. So definitely do that. And if you love the video content, press a thumbs up if you love Halloween in general. All right, let's jump into this. I'm going to use this Gorilla Brand marker and regular paper. Watch till the very end and you will have a new skill by the end of this. It's only about 8-minute video, so it's short. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a stem this time. I'm going to draw a line over here, let's say, like a flat line. And I'm going to go over here and draw like a crazy stem. You can draw like a regular stem, but I'm just going to draw a crazy one. Line over here. You can draw like just a square if you like, but for me personally, I want that crazy. I'm going to draw thinner lines here to represent, you know, the kind of texture on it. Going over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the side of the heart shape, okay? Down. I know it's going to look kind of like a radish, but we'll have to figure that out. Over here. Oops, daisy. It's folding the paper in here. So we have that heart shape right there. Okay. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the face on it. Face on it in general. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go up right here at an angle. Down. Down. So that angle downward, that one eye. I'm going to go over here. Same thing, other eye. Triangle here. And so now the triangle's obviously the nose, so let's go and we're gonna draw the mouth, all right? I want the smile to come way up, like I'm gonna mark those dots there. So that's gonna come way up. Pulling down. Let's get a tooth in there. Keep going down. Another square tooth. Over here. Line over here. Down over here. Up. So overall the smile is curving, but in, you know, within that shape we're throwing in those shapes. Let's fill this in. We got to fill all this stuff in. While I'm doing that, I'll talk to you real quick. Hopefully you're having a great Halloween time and you got your outfit ready and you got stuff going on. I'm pretty excited. Hopefully you are as well. Right on. A lot of Halloween movies. I forgot about that. I got to start watching Halloween movies. I'm really excited about that stuff. Just filling this in. There's definitely a list of Halloween movies I haven't seen, so I guess I should probably do that. And now we're going to draw, separate it from being a radish, right? Because right now it looks like a radish. We're going to draw the lines of striations, right? They're thin, but, you know, like pumpkins have striation lines. Line over here. And I'm not putting them through anything. Like I'm not running them right through the features. I give them like lines over there because they're supposed to be thin because we're talking about striation here. We're not talking about a you know, an actual drawn-on line. We're talking about illustration within the pumpkin to make it a certain shape. Line over here. We got that down. And something that you can actually add on as an extra thing there is you can add like a little like plant, whatever you call like a stem here, and it will have an actual leaf at the end of it. So it's really like, you know, it kind of grew out of the ground there. And we are going to draw that thick line there. Try to put a thicker line on the outside, and that really gives it that oomph, right? Have you noticed that? It really gave it a lot more presence right there, and it made the design look better. And it's, all it is a thick line on the outside. It just helps certain designs, and some other ones, it pretty much almost always helps, but sometimes it's a little bit in the way. So just gonna keep that in mind. And there you go. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Like I said, if you did, hit the like. Don't forget to hit that like. I put a free gift for you in the description. So the very top link is Halloween drawing templates. So basically on a single page, it's going to have a how-to. Very simple, very direct how-to. And there's 100 of those, 100 in one PDF. You can print them out. They're made custom to print. So absolutely go check that out. And it's completely 100% free. This is a product the last few years, but this year, you know, there was trouble with pandemic and stuff. I just thought, you know what? Let me just, you know, like make it free for everybody as a gift. So that's my gift to you, and it's a thank you. I will see you next time. I appreciate everything you guys have done. If you want to give back to the channel, the biggest thing you can possibly do, if the biggest thing, I give you the giveaway, the drawing, the biggest thing you can do is take 2 seconds to share the video. On the bottom right hand corner, you can auto share it to Twitter or whatever you're logged into, Reddit, or Pinterest. Just that quick share, it means a lot to me, a lot. Thank you so much, and stay spooky.